Ballad style, structured approach, exercise 2, adding right hand notes. So far you've learnt the basic ballad style pattern. You've applied it to a chord progression. And in that key you've learnt the pentatonic scale and you've used that over all of your chords. Now if you did that all the time, your playing could become very repetitive and quite monotonous, tuneful but repetitive. So what you're wanting to do is move away from just playing one scale over the chord changes and find various scales and patterns for each chord change, and that makes it much more interesting. It's not easy to begin with, so let's just add a few notes on top of each chord and you'll see how different that is than just playing the pentatonic scale. So play the following sequence of notes, again based on the chord of C, one note at a time from the low C up to the E and back down to the G. So there's 8 notes in total. Follow the keyboard diagram. So again, it's the basic pattern you've learned. Root, 5th, 1st. And now you're going to add on just 2 notes above the 1st, so the 2nd and the 3rd. And then back down. So that's your new pattern, and you can see that those 2 notes are added on to this particular chord pattern. So there's your root, you're adding on the 2nd note after the root. So every time you change chords you're going to do exactly the same. So when you change to A minor, root, 5th, 1st, you're going to add the 2nd and the 3rd of that chord. And then when you change to F you're going to do the same. Okay, so you can follow the music notation on the next page. It's a good exercise for looking at music notation as shapes and patterns. Remember to hold the pedal down for the duration of 1 bar, lift and then put it back down for the next bar, and so on. And within this song, instead of playing everything at a very monotonous level, okay, you can change the loudness. Slight change up and down, it gives it a bit of extra depth down to the A minor.